on the Hershey and Chase experiment. Hershey and Chase experiment. This experiment performed to know the genetic material, either DNA or protein. Hershey and Chase performed experiment to know the chemical nature of the genetic material, and it gives support to the Avery McLeod McCarty's conclusion of transformation experiment. Hershey and Chase performed Alfred Chase Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase performed experiment in 1952 on the bacteriophage. They performed experiment on the bacteriophage. The experiment performed on the bacteriophage. Experiment is performed by Hershey and Chase. The bacteriophage virus, it is virus causes infection to the bacteria. Infect to bacteria or bacterium. So such type of virus is known as bacteriophage virus. Now this Hershey and Chase performed experiment with the bacteriophage virus to know the genetic material, either DNA or protein, in the bacteriophage virus. He performed the experiment with the bacteriophage virus. Bacteriophage virus is infected to the bacterial cell. Suppose this is the bacterial cell. This bacterial cell infected by bacteriophage virus. And this bacteriophage virus is infected to the bacteria, E. coli bacteria. Bacteriophage viruses infected and undergo multiplication. Bacteriophage viruses. The bacteriophage virus has two types of components: protein component and DNA. So DNA is covered by protein cover. So this protein cover is This is the protein cover. And this protein cover, such type of hexagonal plate, of the bacteriophage, hooks placed on the corner of the hexagonal plate, and in the head of the bacteriophage there is DNA. This is the DNA. So this protein coat present in the head region, which encloses the DNA material. So two components of the bacteriophage studied by Hershey and Chase, and he used the protein sulfur 32 isotopes of sulfur and phosphorus isotopes 32 phosphorus isotopes utilized to detect the inheritance either DNA or protein during multiplication of bacteriophage after infection to the bacterium. He used so here what happened, the bacteriophage virus possessing protein and DNA, radioactive substances used, radioactive phosphorus and sulfur. Phosphorus is the main constituent of the DNA and sulfur is protein constituent of the bacteriophage. So sulfur, here introduced sulfur in the protein cover, and DNA introduced by phosphorus radioisotopes and DNA radioisotopes, phosphorus isotopes and DNA isotopes, phosphorus isotopes introduced into the DNA 32 and sulfur isotopes introduced into the protein, which is 35 isotopes, and the infection causes to the bacterium. Here the bacteria or bacterium causes infection to the bacterium. Steps involved in the experiment: one of the bacterium causes infection to the E. coli bacteria, and another bacteriophage virus causes infection to the E. coli bacteria. These two types of bacteriophages utilized. One bacteriophage is with sulfur isotopes in the protein coat, and another bacteriophage virus with phosphorus isotopes in the DNA. Now, the bacteriophage infected to the bacterium after infection. The protein coat remain outside. As infection causes, protein coat remain outside, and genetic material may enter inside. Finally, what happened? This DNA molecule may enter into E. coli bacterial cell. And after centrifugation, the E. coli bacteria, which ghost or protein cover removed and bacteria tested. Here there is no isotopes of sulfur. Sulfur isotopes absent. Sulfur isotopes absent in the bacterial phase. But here in the E. coli bacterium, which is infected by bacterial phase with phosphorus isotopes, and that phosphorus isotopes is present in the infected bacterium. It indicates that the DNA is inheriting in the next progeny a genetic material, and he obviously says that the DNA acts as genetic material in the bacterial phase. And this experiment support to the Avery McLeod McCarty. या एक्सपेरिमेंट मध्ये आपण हे बघितलेलं आहे की हे ई कोलाई बॅक्टेरिया आहे. ई कोलाई बॅक्टेरिया which was infected by bacteriophage virus. हे व्हायरस आहे. जेव्हा हे व्हायरस इन्फेक्शन होतं त्यावेळेस मल्टिप्लिकेशन होण्यासाठी पहिल्यांदा जेनेटिक मटेरियल आतमध्ये जातं. याच्यामध्ये जेनेटिक मटेरियल आतमध्ये जातं आणि या ठिकाणी दोन प्रकारचे आयसोटोप्स वापरलेले आहेत ओळखू येण्यासाठी. जेव्हा इन्फेक्शन एक कॉज करते एक बॅक्टेरियोफेज व्हायरस, त्यावेळेस काय होतं, याच्यामध्ये प्रोटीन कोट मध्ये सल्फर टाकलेला आहे. तो सल्फर याच्यामध्ये आलेला नाही. या बॅक्टेरियोफेजच्या इन्फेक्टेड बॅक्टेरियम मध्ये सल्फर आयसोटोप्स इथं दिसलेला नाही, म्हणजे प्रोटीन याच्या पुढच्या पिढीमध्ये जात नाहीये. आणि या ठिकाणी फॉस्फरस आयसोटोप्स टाकलेला आहे डीएनए मध्ये फॉस्फरस आयसोटोप टाकलेला आहे. तो फॉस्फरस आयसोटोप्स या इन्फेक्टेड बॅक्टेरिया मध्ये दिसलेला आहे. म्हणून जेनेटिक मटेरियल हे काय आहे, डीएनए आहे असं सिद्ध झालेलं आहे. थँक्यू.